So, part 2 of the most expensive renovation we've done to date. And we're standing in the primary bathroom, so the ensuite bathroom in this beautiful Delwood renovation. I'm Stacy, and let's find Sean. Hey!
Oh, sorry, this renovation is just so comfortable. And this tub's actually huge. I think this is the first time I've actually been able to fit in a bathtub, which is unbelievable because I'm like 6'5", 270 pounds. I eat too much,
Yeah,
but I love this tub.
And we're priority builders.
So let's talk about this bathroom.
Yes.
It's an expensive bathroom. It's not a normal bathroom.
No, it is not a normal bathroom for several reasons. Number one, the tile work.
Oh yeah.
Let's talk
this
tile work. So this 90-degree herringbone layout is absolutely beautiful. And I don't know if you noticed this detail, Sean, but in the niche, the tile wraps seamlessly around. It almost looks like those are solid bricks of tile. It's a very beautiful detail.
I know the detail on that because I know our tile setter worked on this for over a week straight.
It's a lot of detail.
And it was not easy. The amount of energy and effort that was put into that isn't cheap. Because when you get the best tile setter in the city, they're definitely not going to be cheap. It's just the way it is, right? If you buy a Lamborghini, it's going to be a little bit more expensive than a Ford Pinto.
Pinto, yes.
We've got the Lamborghini of washrooms here, right? So huge niche on the back. Absolutely fantastic. Those fixtures in there too.
Yes.
You cannot go wrong with that. The hand shower is expensive, right?
Yeah, the fixtures are not inexpensive. They're really high quality fixtures, which does cost a little bit extra money.
Yeah.
And I think one of the things that makes this washroom a little bit more expensive as well is the fact that it does have both the shower and the bath.
That's right.
So
it's a 5-piece bathroom.
It's a 5-piece. So one of the clients enjoys showers, one of the clients enjoys baths. They didn't have to compromise, they got both.
They can be in here at the same time.
Yes.
Perfect. It's good for the marriage, actually.
It is good for the marriage, it is. And it is a beautiful, beautiful bathroom.
And the tub is not cheap. I mean, this is like a $3,000 bathtub.
Yeah.
And this right here, this freestanding tub faucet, which is really cool, is like $2,000.
Yeah, and it also has a hand shower. So when you're in, let's say you just want to wash your hair or you just want to rinse off, you can actually just use the hand shower.
So we got that side and we got that side. That's sweet.
So it's a little added feature that makes this a little bit more high end. One of the other features is the window.
Yeah.
So there was a window in here before. We changed all of the windows in the house, but this window, because its proximity to the bath, was required to be tempered. So tempered window, a little bit more costly.
Which is nice. Brings
you're
in that
safe.
natural light in here. It's perfect. In the vanity over here, so we do have this custom vanity, with all this extra storage.
Yes.
Tons of storage, not typical. It's a little bit more than your standard basic bathroom. And then of course, awesome mirror, light fixtures, and then we got a whole bunch of pot lights and everything like that up above.
But back to the vanity, Sean, this is actually walnut. So this is a walnut cabinet.
Yes.
It's real wood, it's real walnut. Walnut is not an inexpensive material. Everyone wants it now. It's kind of bringing back that mid-century modern vibe.
Looks awesome.
But it is a very beautiful vanity.
But not cheap. Not cheap. And this is only bathroom 1 of 3. So let's jump to the next bathroom.
So I'm standing inside the powder room, the second bathroom in this amazing Delwood renovation. It is a small powder room, was not here before. We actually added this in, and it's a whole vibe. I mean, this powder room is such a cool space. Featured wallpaper, lights, the sconces are beautiful. Again, a floating walnut vanity, and some of this wainscoting. So those features all add to the cost of this space. Small space, big cost. Let's go check out bathroom number 3.
So bathroom number 3, and not just a regular basement bathroom. Look at this bathroom. This thing is awesome. This sweet vanity here. We got the quartz counter, vessel sink, faucet coming out of the wall, right? So a lot of plumbing, a lot of design and figuring out, which again, the more design, the more planning, and the more cost, right? If you look at this sweet tile on the floor there, looks awesome. And in here, what adds the cost to this basement bathroom is really this herringbone tile. And it's just a mixture of a few things. Not only is the tile not the cheapest tile in the world, but also the tile setter, the amount of work and energy that he had to put into this, that costs money. So cheap work ain't good, good work ain't cheap. So if you want a good tile setter, it's gonna cost a little bit more. But one thing we did to reduce some of the costs is we added this shower pan. They didn't do the tiled base, which saved them probably a couple $1,000. And you know what, it's super easy to clean and it works really good because this is gonna be the basement gym bathroom. So after the sweaty workouts, they'll jump in there. Speaking of the gym, this is gonna be the gym in here. We got Stace here. And Stace, that concludes video number 2.
Number 2, bathrooms, and why this is the most expensive renovation per square foot that we've done to date.
Pretty cool. Stay tuned for video number 3. I'm Sean.
And I'm Stacy.
And we're
Priority Builders.
Call us when you're looking for renovation. It'll definitely be thumbs up approved. Like and subscribe, leave a comment.